Good morning, Taylor's University. My name is Daniel and welcome back to another episode of Rapid Fire in conjunction with Teachers' Day. So let's go around campus and ask students what are their experiences with their favorite lecturers. Let's go! So the first thing is, do you guys have any favorite moments or favorite memories you have with your favorite teachers?
There are times where she actually came up to me and asked if I needed help without me going to her. I guess that was nice.
Most of our lecturers here, they do that. Like they ask if you understand, you have any problem, you have any question, they always ask.
Some of our lectures also try to get us interested in like hospitality stuff, but outside of the subject they're teaching. So maybe they'll like say, oh, there's an event coming up, would you like to come as a group and learn together, even though it's not mandatory, it's more of a extra learning thing, you know.
I have a great memory for the FB class because when I do something, it's operation, because this is a class, it's a first service class customer. So sometimes I'm not good time, but when you know do something and your lecturer will help you, you improve in class. So it's very nice.
When I got really demotivated a couple days ago, Miss Roslyn, okay, should I specify names? Okay, so she brought me in class and then she talked to me and then like she just told me very nicely, you know, like please, you know, help us help you, something like that. Yeah, and then I was like so overwhelmed and I was like, wow, like I got like 10 times the boost.
For me, it will be like one of my lecturers actually replied my message like in the middle of the night when I really need some help, like to inquire her.
Guys, I'm fasting. I'm doing this during Ramadan. I'm so tired. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. We are here to do rapid fire and let's go and do this with energy.
If it's favorite moments, I guess it's more of chill class. Like everyone always gets a laugh in the class. It's always Mr. Phillips' class. I think it's just the way he conducts class and in general everything else. He's a very chill lecturer and very fun to be around with. You can hang out with him even after class.
I'll talk about Sri because he was really nice. He was friendly. He welcomed us like very well. It was a warm welcome.
I'd like to talk about the director of Foundation and Business, Muttaqeen sir. He's very helpful, kind-hearted, and he has helped me with lots of things.
What are you all doing in my micro house? I live here. Next time ask for my permission because I live here, you know. No, I'm just kidding guys, I'm just kidding. Yeah, you guys can just do whatever you want. Yeah, actually, can we interview you guys?
For me, I think it's Mr. Hacharan because I think he's quite savage, I would say.
Savage?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like you roast students in class?
Like in a funny way. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think for me, I like Miss Butchie because like this one time she like brought this like the judge's whip to like the class, right? And then she wore it for the whole class. So yeah, I like that moment. Yeah.
You always make the class interesting, yeah.
Oh,
Miss Butchie, yeah.
Okay, do you guys have any favorite lecturers?
Mr. Edwin.
Mr. Edwin. He was so fun that we actually enjoyed the subject because of him.
Yeah, and he was really helpful. Like really helpful.
They look like they want to ignore me already. I'm kind of scared.
When I go to consultations and all that, it doesn't feel like teacher and student but from where I come from, it feels like teacher and student. It's like teacher has their own status and all that, but here it's just like we have a friendly talk.
Where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
Oh, okay, nice. Do you like Malaysia so far?
Yes, great. It's great. It makes me feel like home.
What are your wishes to any of your favorite lecturers in regarding to Teachers' Day?
Enjoy your teaching and enjoy the fun with us.
Thank you for educating the future leaders of Malaysia. Really appreciate it. Malaysia always adapts to you and
Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for taking the time to get us well informed about the industry and everything else.
I just wish them a happy Teachers' Day. Hopefully they'll enjoy their day and continue on doing what you guys are doing. You guys are amazing.
Thank you for teaching us and thank you for helping us out.
Happy Teachers' Day!
Happy Teachers' Day!
Happy Teachers' Day!
Happy Teachers' Day.
To all the teachers in Taylor's University, thank you so much in both teaching and guiding our students and preparing them to be future leaders of Taylor's University. Now, you've heard what students have had to say so far, and it's always an interesting point of view to know what students think of their lecturers. So now I'd like to ask you, the viewer, what do you think about your lecturers? Why don't you comment down below? Happy Teachers' Day, everyone!